It's been about 5 days roughly since I posted my original update on our Google Business Profile rankings and how we've noticed a massive fluctuation across the board. I want to preface, this whole thing with adding in that I'm running these reports later in the evening, usually around 9:30 p.m. Central Time. As you can see up at the top, roughly it says 10:25 p.m. That's on the East Coast. We're in the Central Time Zone, so it was around 9:30. Don't know if that's necessarily playing a factor. I'm going to be running, like I said, multiple tests with this. As you can see again, we have mostly green across the board, which is very, very good. Highest rankings that we've ever seen. We got a couple outliers up there at the top, an 11 and a 9, which is not bad for your worst ranking whatsoever. And again, I like to pull up the trend graph just to give you guys, again, an idea on these massive fluctuations. Again, for some reason on the phone version, if I scroll to the right to the recent data, the numbers, vertically don't follow. But just to give you guys an idea, you can see we dropped down to an average ranking of like 8 at one point, which was like our worst ever. We recovered fairly quickly, tapered off, and then within the last week or so, we shot right up to, average ranking of 2, just under 2 is like 2.1, and now we've even unched up just a little bit further to an average ranking of like 2.01, which again is just crazy good. It explains why we are getting inquiries on our website almost every evening. In all honesty, we're getting almost 1 to 2 in the evening right now, which is great. I'd prefer them to come in the day, but again, I'll take it. I love that Google, is doing something. They're definitely trying something. Local Falcon, shout out to them. They even actually commented on my previous post about them noticing a lot of fluctuations as well. So I'm happy to hear that, I'm not the only one. It definitely means there's something going on within the algorithm, something to keep an eye on if nothing else. So I'm interested to know. Let me know what you guys think. Those of you that are business owners or maybe you're marketing people, you have a marketing business and you help local business owners like myself. Again, to reiterate, we are a pest control business specifically in the Dallas, Texas area. I do everything myself in-house. I kind of, I don't want to say master in marketing or anything. I took some marketing courses and things like that. Mostly self-taught. It's not rocket science at the end of the day. Yeah, I'm definitely interested to know. Let me know in the comments, regardless if you're watching on TikTok, YouTube, wherever you may be seeing this. Let me know in the comments what kind of results you're seeing lately. If you're noticing these crazy fluctuations, if you're noticing that literally hour by hour, certain parts of the day, you're ranking higher or worse than others. And like I said, I'll keep you guys posted. We're going to run multiple different times a day and things like that just to see, what happens.